crucial cabinet meeting has just happened now. Amit Shah and Ashwini Vaishnav are meeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In that cabinet meeting, an approval, a nod has been given to a complete overhaul of the Act, the Unlawful Means Act, and to make it even more stringent, the draft bill was discussed. It will be tabled in the Parliament on Monday, and after that cabinet meeting, we're given to understand now Union Home Minister Amit Shah along with Ashwini Vaishnav are meeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Remember, the Prime Minister also in a midnight message doubled down on the assurance coming in from the government. He reached out to the youth of the country, first through the post and then through that video message, assuring that stringent action, and not just stringent but swift action, will be taken against all those who are involved and have indulged in paper leak. The Prime Minister said that this is an extraordinary challenge that the government faces and they are not taking it lightly. The future and welfare of the youth is the government's top priority. After that assurance came in from the Prime Minister at midnight through that particular video message, we saw the cabinet meet take place. The discussion on how to make that act even more stringent has happened. A cabinet approval or a nod has been given to the draft bill, which will now be tabled in Parliament on Monday. We'll get you more details on what's transpiring in this high-level meeting which is taking place at the moment. Perhaps the union ministers apprising the Prime Minister of what has transpired so far. Let's go across to Ravikant, who's getting us more details. Ravikant, ये जो मुलाकात अब हो रही है गृह मंत्री अमित शाह और प्रधानमंत्री की, जिसमें अश्विनी वैष्णव भी मौजूद हैं, इसका एजेंडा क्या है? क्या यूनियन मिनिस्टर्स प्रधानमंत्री को ब्रीफ कर रहे हैं कि क्या क्या अब तक हुआ है, क्या डेवलपमेंट्स हुई हैं? रविकांत, क्या आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं? All right, there seems to be a connection issue, a network issue. We'll try and connect with Ravikant and get you more details. Look at the visuals on your screens. The meeting between Centre and the CJP representatives is over. Rahul Gandhi, through a press conference, has highlighted the issue of usage of pellet guns during the crackdown. The government says that we will meet again tomorrow and the showdown at Parliament continues. Those are the top developments of the day on this big story. Let's go back to my colleagues, and Bhavtosh continues to be with us. Bhavtosh, now, of course, the focus shifts to what happens after that crucial meeting. It has remained inconclusive. CJP says we've got a nod from the government on two demands, compensation and the legal action that was taken against protesters, but nothing so far on Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation. JP Nadda hasn't said anything like that on camera to the media. He says, yes, we've heard the demands. We've heard what the CJP representatives had to say, and we will meet them tomorrow. So they'll be meeting tomorrow as well. At least that's what we are given to understand from the statements that have come. We'll get back to you tomorrow. Kal dopeher baad baat hogi. That's what JP Nadda said. So there's a meeting that is going to take place tomorrow as well, and that will be round 3 of talks. Ravikant is back with us on the broadcast. Ravikant, जो हाई लेवल मीटिंग हो रही है प्रधानमंत्री के साथ इस वक्त, इसके बारे में जानकारी दीजिए. Okay, all right. I don't think Ravikant is able to hear me, but let me take you through the top developments and the visuals that you're looking at your screens. One, the cabinet meeting is over, in which thumbs up, a nod was given to making the law even more stringent when it comes to paper leak. That draft bill will be tabled in Parliament on Monday. And on the other hand, there's a crucial meeting happening. Prime Minister Narendra Modi meeting with Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav. The meeting with the CJP representatives has just concluded. It has remained inconclusive. The government has said we've heard the demands and we'll get back to them tomorrow. So there will be another level of talk, another round of talks, round 3, that will take place tomorrow. Rahul Gandhi, meanwhile, has also picked up the issue of usage of pellet guns. And in the visuals, you can see Rahul Gandhi standing with the victim, highlighting how pellet guns have injured the man standing right next to Rahul Gandhi. He says the government is lying as far as usage of pellet guns is concerned. And before the back-to-back power huddles, Prime Minister Narendra Modi doubled down on his outreach to students. In a late-night message, the Prime Minister described paper leaks as an extraordinary challenge and announced a fresh set of measures, from fast-track courts to a tougher law. Take a look.
फ्रेंड्स, मैं जानता हूं कि पेपर लीक ये कोई मामूली विषय नहीं है। लाखों विद्यार्थी और उनके अभिभावकों के लिए बहुत ही पीड़ादायक है और इसलिए पेपर लीक घटना से अब तक पिछले 2.5 महीनों में अनेक विध कदम उठाए गए, गुनहगारों को पकड़ा गया है, वे जेल में पड़े हैं। हमारा सबसे महत्वपूर्ण जिम्मा था कि विद्यार्थियों का 1 वर्ष बर्बाद न हो। तत्काल परीक्षाएं लेना बहुत जरूरी था। सरकार ने अभी पूरी शक्ति का उपयोग करके कम से कम समय में 22 लाख जितने विद्यार्थियों के एग्जाम हो जाएं, इसका प्रबंध किया।
All right, so round 2 of talks with CJP has remained inconclusive. On the other hand, a big development as far as that cabinet meeting is concerned. We're getting you all the updates here on Times Now. Quick break, lot more lined up on the other side as well.